My name is Brian Boyd. I'm the plant manager, so I oversee basically all of our production operations along with being involved with engineering, sales, pretty much everything. Here at Vestal, we have several welding positions. We have 6 different welding departments, 5 of which are welding steel, 1 of which is welding aluminum. We do also weld a little bit of stainless steel. Each department is responsible for a certain group of products or product families that they kind of specialize in. Being that we have a variety of products and product groups, we have different skill sets in different departments and different products. So some of our welding is very high volume, fast paced, throwing parts in a fixture and cranking it out, up to more of a fabrication process where it's a special customer request that involves more blueprint reading, working with engineering, fabricating this part or product from the ground up. Along with welding, our welders are required to use normal hand tools. There's some grinding or using a torch or a plasma cutter to cut some parts in the more customized products or specials that we would engineer specifically for a certain customer. We also have 4 robotic welders that we have operators that we do expect them to have some welding experience because it helps with adjusting the robot. So they will learn some of the robotic aspects of it and be trained on the robot to go along with their prior welding knowledge to be able to be putting out good parts with the robot. Robotically welded parts, a lot of that is done by the machine itself, where they are just loading it into the fixture and letting the robot do the work. There is also some manual welding that goes along with that. We have many areas where we can bring somebody in that's not a real experienced welder and work with them and get them up to that next level. We do in-house training for people that are interested. A lot of the feedback I get is, one, we're a smaller family-owned company, so there are a lot of people that develop good relationships with their coworkers. There's a lot of work in team atmosphere, and there's also opportunities for working on your own. So we also have a wide variety of different jobs, different positions, multiple departments. So there is opportunities for virtually any type of profession.